Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to check the sold item history on eBay. Before we used to click on sold item and eBay show us the history, how much it's been sold and when exactly it's being sold with the dates. But now recently eBay have updated it. We cannot click on this anymore. But I will show you the hack how we can still find the history of the item sold. This listing have a eBay product number. You can find it on two places. One is over here. You can see on the top. This is the item number of eBay. And if you scroll down near about this item, you can see eBay item number over here as well. You can copy either of them and you paste it over here after is equal to sign. I will share three links for UK, Australia and Canada. You just need to replace this item number after is equal to sign and you will be able to see the history of any item. I will just paste it and press enter. You will be able to see the product sold history, the quantity it sold, the price on it sold. It's recently sold. Today is 28th of October. It's been sold on 28th of October. It means this item is currently trending. He sold a lot of units today and yesterday as well. He sold a lot of units. Same, you can find any product, go down on eBay. If you want to check the history of this one, just click on it, go down, copy the item number, and again paste it on the provided link. Paste it. You can see the history of this item as well, how much sold and when it sold. Hope you like this video. If you have any question, you can always ask. Thank you very much.